episode we will make sandwich with lemonade. So today's episode we are going to make mango smoothie. The required equipment are mango, 2 stirring stars, a glass, ice cream and sugar. And my friends, if you want to add ice cubes, we can also add ice cubes and this smoothie to be cold, good and tasty. My friends, step 1. Peel the mango and make them into small pieces. My friends, I am going to peel this mango and make them into small pieces in 3, 2, 1. Now my friends, we have made mango into pieces or into small we have made mango into slices or into small pieces. My friends, step 2. Let's take small pieces of mango and keep them into the jar and add some sugar inside or some ice cubes. Now let's keep this glass side, otherwise some mangoes will go inside the glass. Now let's add mangoes inside the jar so we can grind it. Okay my friends? And keep all of the mangoes in there. Now my friends, we have kept all the mangoes in here. Now my friends, let's add some sugar and then we'll add some ice cubes. You have to be very careful with sugar also. That's it. Now my friends, let's add some ice cubes. Now my friends, we are going to take some ice cubes and keep it in the jar. Now my friends, let's add some ice cubes. Now my friends, let's add some ice cubes inside the jar. Now my friends, let's take a small scoop of ice cream and keep it into the jar. Now my friends, after we keep this ice cream, we are going to grind it. Now my friends, we have kept the ice cream inside the jar. Now let's grind it. Now my friends, let us grind it. Now my friends, we have grinded the mango. My friends, step 4. Pour the mango or the smoothie inside the jar. Now my friends, in this smoothie we can also add honey. My friends, if you like honey, you can add some honey into the juice. Now my friends, I like honey, so I'll keep it in my smoothie so my brother can taste it. Let's keep it on the corner. Now my friends, let's pour the mango juice. My friends, we have to be very careful, otherwise this whole mango will split and then we cannot have enough mango to make this smoothie. I'll be very careful. We have to be very careful, guys.
It's okay.
Now my friends, before you grind this mango smoothie, you have to add some cold water, ice cream or some ice cubes. Now my friends, otherwise it will be so thin. The mango juice, if you want it will be very thick. If you want, add some cool water in the mango smoothie. So I added. You can also keep some ice cream inside the mango smoothie. I like ice cream, so I'll keep more ice cream. Oh, we have to be very careful, guys. Now, my friends, enough of some ice cream. Now let's keep it here. If it is fall, don't worry. My friends, step 5. Add some mangoes and add some honey. My friends, did you know the mango is the king of the fruits? It's good in summer times. My friends, today's season is summer. My friends, also mango is a natural food and king of the fruits. Now my friends, we can also have or keep some honey in there to be healthy. My friends, honey is good for our health. How to? Because if your friend and you are drinking smoothie, then these two smoothies you can drink. Your friend and you and your friend can drink together, but one straw means one you will drink when it is one straw. But if it is two straw, you and your friend can drink two. My friends, we have made the mango smoothie. Now my friends, I won't drink the mango smoothie, but I'll drink something else. Now my friends, let's call my brother Grandma and let's see how this mango smoothie tastes good or not. Grandma, come, try my mango.
What is this? Last time you made sandwich and lemonade. Now what have you made?
Mango smoothie, but I won't drink.
Okay.
Now drink. Drink it. Drink it.
It looks so scary.
Drink it. Just drink. Yeah.
My friends, I don't want to drink the smoothie with straw. I'll try it with a spoon.
Now I add some honey. How about it?
I like honey.
Just try it, okay? Just try it.
It's good. It tastes like ice cream. I like it. It tastes like ice cream, but it's a mango smoothie. Wow, how tasty it is. Mango plus ice cream, so tasty. I like it.
Okay, we'll now bye.
Okay, bye.
Oh,
Thank you for the smoothie.
You can play some toys or play some chinicas like that. Bye. My friends, did you know what else do I have? Close your eyes and I'll count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. It died. The mango died. Help the mango. Why do they have this mango? Below, because we're making mango smoothie. So some dirty, some mess in the mango pillow, so it becomes so dirty. That is what I want to keep it. That is what I took it. And now, my friends, thanks for watching our video. In the next episode,